As you all know, UPSC Prelims 2023 में अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 6 महीने बचे हैं और Prelims UPSC का आयरन गेट है जिसे तोड़कर ही लवासना में एंट्री मिल सकती है।
तो आपकी मेंस में स्मूथ एंट्री के लिए StudyIQ लाया है सक्सेस इन प्रीलिम्स प्लस कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव कोर्स जिसमें है
200 plus hours of live revision classes to revise by heart all important concepts and facts before prelims.
Integrated static and current affairs preparation for covering static and current affairs syllabus together in one go.
Coverage of all NCERT and standard books for tackling any sort of factual and conceptual questions in prelims examination.
Discipline-based test after each lecture to check your preparation and application of knowledge.
To consolidated notes in the form of revision booklets so that you can get crisp and concise material at one place.
CSAT Workshop to remove the anxiety and address the challenge of GS Paper 2.
UPSC mirror tests that simulate last 8 years of UPSC papers.
All India open test to compete with all aspiring candidates and to check your rank.
And all this is available at a very affordable cost of 6,500 rupees. So boost your preparation with SIP Plus course now.
StudyIQ IAS अब तैयारी हुई अफोर्डेबल।